A fire broke out at the Moscow Higher Combined Arms Command School on Sunday, possibly caused by a drone attack, according to reports from Russian Telegram channels. Telegram channel Soda posted a video of the fire, suggesting that the incident occurred in Kuzminki, a district in Moscow, likely after a drone attack on the Moscow Higher Combined Arms Command School. The report said that a shooting range and a car gas station are located nearby. Local residents reported hearing explosions and sounds resembling gunfire, though only for a short time. The Moscow Higher Combined Arms Command School is a military institution of higher education for the Russian armed forces, and the oldest such institution in the country, founded on December 15, 1917. Since 2015, the school has been training command staff with higher military special education under a 4-year program for mechanized and ground troops of the Russian armed forces. As of now, Russian authorities have not commented on the incident. While Russian Telegram channels reported on the fire Sunday morning, no new details have emerged at the time of publication. In the meantime, Ukraine resumed long-range drone attacks on Russia's energy infrastructure on Thursday, October 3rd, hitting a fuel storage facility in the Voronezh region and igniting a major blaze. Local officials stated that the Anna Nefta product refinery near Anna village, 80 kilometers east of Voronezh, was targeted. The Ukrainian launch sites were likely 300 kilometers away. Voronezh Governor Alexander Gusev claimed that all drones were shot down by air defenses, and debris caused a fire that was quickly extinguished, with no injuries reported. However, social media footage geolocated to the area contradicted Gusev's statement, showing a direct hit and an uncontrolled fire. The Russian Emergency Situations Ministry released images of firefighters battling the blaze. In another raid, dozens of Ukrainian drones targeted the Borisoglebsk military airfield, a base used by the Russian Air Force for fighter and bomber operations. Regional officials claimed no damage, crediting strong air defenses. However, a Kyiv Post review of satellite images from NASA's FIRMS network revealed 2 significant fires at the airbase, one near ammunition bunkers and another in an area where ammunition boxes had been stored. Additionally, a possible Ukrainian drone strike on Friday, October 4th, hit an oil depot in Perm, engulfing 10,000 square meters of fuel storage in flames. Soldiers from the Kryla Wings special unit of the Ukrainian General Directorate of Intelligence, CHUAR, discovered and destroyed a Russian OSA WASP anti-aircraft missile system, as reported by HUR via Telegram. According to the report, the air defense system is valued at $10 million, while the FPV drone used by the scouts to destroy the WASP cost only several $100s. "Lessons in interesting mathematics will continue," read the caption accompanying the released video. In the footage, the drone camera shows the WASP stationed in a tree line. The video then cuts to a Ukrainian kamikaze drone flying toward the anti-aircraft missile system and crashing into it. Thick clouds of black smoke soon rise from the WASP, followed by intense flames as the fire spreads. The report did not specify the exact location of the strike. The OSA is a Soviet-era, all-weather automated military air defense system designed to protect motorized rifle and tank divisions in various combat scenarios. Development began in 1960 with the goal of creating the Soviet Union's first fully mobile air defense system. Deployed in 1971, the OSA underwent continuous modernization. In 1977, the improved OSA AKM variant was introduced, featuring 6 upgraded 9 M33 M3 missiles. Production continued until 1989, making it the most widely produced anti-aircraft missile system in the USSR. The OSA AKM is equipped with 6 9 M33 M3 missiles, each weighing 128 kilograms and carrying a 15-kilogram warhead. The system has a range of 1.5 to 10 kilometers and can engage targets at altitudes between 10 and 5,000 meters. The probability of hitting a fighter-type target with one missile ranges from 50% to 85%. According to open-source data, a single OSA missile costs around $56,000, compared to $400,000 for a missile from the modern German IRIS-T system. The total cost of the OSA system varies widely, with estimates ranging from $1 million to $10 million. In mid-January, the Ukrainian military destroyed another Russian OSA using an American-made HIMARS rocket launcher. According to a report from the Ukrainian Special Operations Forces, SSO, while conducting reconnaissance in the southern sector, operators from the 73rd Maritime Center of the SSO, despite poor visibility, discovered a Russian anti-aircraft missile system being used against Ukrainian troops. The SSO aerial reconnaissance team provided the coordinates to HIMARS operators who successfully destroyed the Russian anti-aircraft missile system with precise fire. And that's not all. Ukrainian forces from the 77th Separate Airmobile Brigade successfully destroyed a Russian Buk M2 air defense system. Around half of the artillery shells used by Russia, approximately 3 million annually, come from North Korea, according to the Times. Despite many shells being considered defective, their sheer quantity has enabled Russia to make steady advances, including the capture of Vuhledar in Donetsk. In early 2024, during Putin's visit to Pyongyang, a defense pact was signed between Russia and North Korea. In May, the Swedish government announced that it will donate its entire fleet of Pantsir-S 302, PBV 302, to Ukraine. It looks like that the first badge is rolling through the Czech Republic in eastern direction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.